Hey guys, happy Wednesday. I hope you guys all had an amazing day today. We are up $16 on the day. We're up $91 on the week, $968 on the month, $1,500 on the 3 months, $2,700 on year to date, $3,100 on the past year, and then $3,900 all time. So this is what the portfolio is looking like right now. I will be selling the little shares of Tesla and Apple that I do have. I was looking at getting back into those, but I decided just to go with the NASDAQ since this portfolio, Robinhood portfolio I should say, is focused mainly on dividends. And I did want to get a little bit into some of the technology, high growth stocks. I thought the NASDAQ would be perfect for that since it does pay that small dividend of 1.16%, but it also does focus on the technology companies. Did just start throwing $4 in daily on the NASDAQ. I was debating between NASDAQ and QQQ. Did have QQQ in the past, but I did decide going with the NASDAQ. So let me know what you guys think of that in the comments down below, if that's a good play or if it's not. But I just wanted to kind of get into some tech companies without actually selecting and picking individual stocks. So let me know what you guys think of that. So these are the recurring buys. We got $3 into JetQ, 2 into Johnson & Johnson, 4 into the NASDAQ, 1 into Realty Income, 2 into Snap-on, 1 into SPHD, and 6 into VU. And again, this is what the portfolio is looking like. One of these days, I will be giving you guys a public update, probably on the weekend. I am putting a little bit of money into there, and I'm investing in the investing plan that they have over there that is called the Magnificent Seven, which does include NVIDIA, Apple, Google, Tesla, and
the other 3 are Amazon, Microsoft, and Meta.
They call it the Magnificent Seven, but it's basically just some high growth stock. And I'm going to be focusing on high growth over there and dividends here so I can keep them separated for my sake as well as YouTube video sake. But I was thinking about switching SPHD over to SCHD, taking a look at SCHD. I think it is a little safer than SPHD. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. But they did just do that split back in October. They do have a 3.64 dividend yield on that 30-day yield. And then looking at the year-to-date return, they do have a 14.68%. Heading over to SPHD, I've had this since I first started. This was, I think, my very first stock in the portfolio. That's why it is at the top. But looking at the year-to-date, it is a higher return at 18.45%. And then looking at the dividend yield, it also is higher at 4.11% on that 30-day yield. SCHD tracks some of the higher dividend stocks such as Home Depot, Chevron, I believe, just some safer stocks. Looking at SPHD, excuse me. I was thinking about going over from SPHD to SCHD. I'm probably 99% sure just going to stay into SPHD unless something happens. Then I will switch over to SCHD, obviously, but I have been holding SPHD for a while and I am up $139 on it, which isn't horrible for an ETF, well, a dividend ETF. Probably just going to hold this. Looking at their top 10 holdings, you can see they have AT&T, Verizon, some more, I'd say, volatile stocks, risky stocks. And then looking at SCHD, let's check out their top 10 holdings. I know they're a little safer when it comes to, I wouldn't say high growth dividend stocks, but more low volatility dividend stocks. Most of these are actually in my watch list. Cisco, Chevron, UPS, Verizon, Home Depot, all of those besides Verizon, UPS, Home Depot, Cisco, Chevron, they are all actually in my watch list. So it is a little safer, I would think, in my opinion, to invest in SCHD, which obviously is shown by the little bit lower return as well as the smaller dividend yield. But I will be sticking with SPHD for now until something actually happens with SPHD. But like and subscribe, guys. Let me know in the comments down below some stocks you're looking at, your opinions on SPHD versus SCHD, as well as my NASDAQ play. If you guys are interested in that, let me know in the comments down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow with any more updates. I probably won't be making any more updates this week. I have been doing some research and I have been looking at a few stocks. So I'll probably do a separate video probably this weekend along with that public video, just talking and discussing some of the stocks I've been looking at, especially on the public account, some of the higher growth stocks I've been looking at. But yeah, like and subscribe, guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.